Good day, everyone. In this video, I want to show you how you can have your WBS automatically colored in Excel when you copy from P6. For example, if I copy this program and I take it to this Excel sheet and paste it here, you can see all the WBS are highlighted automatically. So if I should open another program and do the same thing, let me open another program here. This is a sample program. I'll copy this sample program. I'll paste it on the same sheet, and here it is. So if this is what you're looking for, or it's something you would like to know, just stick around with me in the video as we go over it on how to get it achieved. First, I'm going to open a blank Excel worksheet like this, and I will open my program, copy the program to the Excel sheets. The functions I will use for this exercise are the train, the search, Isblank, then conditional formatting. I will add 3 columns to show you what each function does. It's not necessary that you do this, but just to show you what each function does. So the first one will be the train function, the search, and then the third column will be to combine both functions together. Let's start with the train function. Now the train function removes all spaces from text except for single spaces between words. So here we can say equal to trim. Click on the activity ID column and you find it here that it is trim. So we can send this down and you find all these are trim already. Now the other one is the search function. Now the search function searches for character or group of characters within a text string and return the position number of the first character that you're searching for. We're going to search the item that we've trimmed in the activity ID column, and it will return to us the number of position of the first character. That is the number of spaces including the letter of the first character. So you can see here contractual milestone is 3. That is, it has 2 spaces including the number C to make it, the letter C to make it 3. But we are only interested in the number of spaces. So we're going to add -1 to the formula and send it down to remove the character number. Then what we're going to do next is to combine both formulas and see how it will return to us the same result as what we have in our search function. So as you can see here, you can see that the result we have from the search here is the same as the combined result. Now, if you look at the activity ID column and the activity name, you will find out that in the activity ID column, we have the WBS and also the activity name. But in the activity name column, we have only the activity name, the WBS is blank. The spaces are blank. So what we're going to do, we're going to introduce another formula into our combined column here, which will be Isblank. That is for us to return the result if the activity name is blank. And this will either give us a false statement or it will give us the numbers. So you can find here we have false, false. That is to tell you that these are activities. And where you have the numbers, they are all WBS. For instance, you have 0, 2, and all these ones, the numbers are even as well. Next, we're going to apply this same formula to our conditional formatting such that we give a condition that if these numbers are same, then it should give us certain colors. And if not, if it is blank, then it should just leave it with the color it is. So the next thing is that we're going to go to a new sheet and we're going to do the same exercise. So here is our Primavera. So the heading usually is always in gray color. So we're going to do just put a gray color on the top part of the Excel sheet, and that will not be included in the formulas that we're going to use built in. So next we're going to copy. Let's just copy the first part, the heading part of our activity details, and we're going to do the conditional formatting on this one and transfer it onto the rest of the sheets. So the next thing is to copy the same formula that we've written before. We take it to our Excel sheets and we add the conditional formatting based on formulas and do some adjustments to the formula. So here we change this from E2 to B2, and here from D2 to A2, D2 to A2, and we fix the A2, and we go over to the formatting, the color, let's pick blue, and we take the font, make it bold, and say OK. Okay, here we're supposed to see this change. I think we have to manage rule. There's something we did not add. We're supposed to put the number, the result. If this is equals to 0, then return this color. So we say OK. We say OK, and here it is. Now I will just speed up the video for the rest of the colors we're going to add. So we duplicate all the formulas and change them to the different results 2, 4, 6, 8, the even numbers as per what we have in our formulas, and just change the colors as needed. Whatever color you want, you can change, make the font size the way you want. So if it is 2, if it is 4. So basically, what we're doing is all the results that are 2s implies that the WBS are at that level, and the result with 4 implies that the WBS at that level are all in the same group. So similarly with every other formulas that we have. So we just populate everything and we'll see how it comes out in the final output. So 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, we missed one. I think there's no 8 here. Let's add it. Make this 8. Let's change the color. Let's select, okay, let's take this color, gray, and change the font size, the bold, and the font color, make it yellow. Okay, then we move it down to the position just after 6 and say apply. Okay, so let's format this row to all other part of the Excel sheets. So you can take it down to as much row that you want, depending on your data. And we copy our Primavera, the full activity table, and we'll paste it here, and you'll see the result, and this is what you have. So all of the WBS are colored according to the various groups. Now we can also, let's just try it with our sample project. So let's delete this one and use the sample project that we created before where we have only about 4 WBS or so. So I'm going to delete this. I'll go over to Primavera, close this program, open the sample program. We have only very few WBS. Let's see how it will work here. Paste, and here is it. If you enjoy the content, please do subscribe, click on the like button and the notification bell so when I upload a new video, you will be notified. Thank you.